happy.
Oi.
You're happy. No. Are you gonna start crying now that the camera's here?
Caden. Oh yeah. Hey. Hi. You froze. Wait. It's a camera. It's okay. Hi. He's just staring at it. Hi. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yeah?
Caden likes to laugh.
Caden likes to learn new things.
Hi. My name is
Because
Becca.
of the joy that learning brings.
I hope I'm learning when I'm 101.
Wait. Quit staring. Say something. I get. Hi. Hi. Why are your legs so cute? Mommy. Hi. Did you go to school yet? How was school? Did you like school? Look at your legs. Your legs are so cute. What is that thing?
He's strong.
Caden is 5 months old and 5 days. Ooh. Are you pooping?
Yep.
He didn't poop yet. 5 months and 5 days. No, 4 days. Wait. Boo. Caden. Ah! Boo. You froze.
He froze once he's noticed the camera. He's burping.
Yeah. Happy.
I goo.
Ah, drooling. No, not happy.
I goo.
Daddy. The Zoom is not working anymore.
I goo.
Say Dada. Daddy. You sound like a parrot. Caden, are you ready to move? We're moving your crib with you. And the bed. Yeah. Gapa naman yan? Anggap naman yan. I love you. You love me. We are happy. The family. with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Mwah! Okay. Quit staring. Yeah. That's a cute babe. Say bye bye.
Bye.
I hope to see you again very soon. Bye bye.
Bye bye.